It is your time right now to start developing the habits and the routines that are going to set you up for success. I heard something just the other day that totally inspired me to do this video. Listen to this. There are 3 types of students. Student number 1 does less than 40% of their homework, hardly studies for the big exam, and ends up failing. Student number 2 does 60 to 80% of the homework, studies a little bit for the big exam, and ends up skating by with an average grade like a C. Student number 3 does 100% of the homework, studies about the same amount as student number 2, just a little bit for the exam, and ends up with a B+ or higher. So why did student number 3, who did 100% of their homework, end up doing the best? Is it because they were smarter than the rest of the kids? Not necessarily. It's because homework was not an option. They put in a little bit of effort over a long period of time and wound up with better results. And that is because nothing beats consistency. So today I'm going to give you 7 steps to help you reach your goals and master consistency. Step number 1, make a plan. This should include a timeline with a start and an end date. And it should also include the actions you need to take to reach your goals. So for example, if weight loss is one of your goals, a very common goal that I hear a lot, whether it's 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, whatever, you need to make a plan. You have a start date, an end date, and then what actions are you going to take to get to those goals? For example, do you need to hire a dietitian to help you with your nutrition? Do you need to get on a new workout schedule? If so, get that down in your calendar. So you get the idea. Make a plan. Step number 2, create milestones. These are small goals within your big goal. And this is how you'll be able to track your progress and see how you're doing. The little things really do matter, so celebrate those little successes on your way to the big goal. Number 3, make time for your goals. Block that time out on your calendar and have it say, work on goal. It's non-negotiable. This time slot cannot be used for anything else. So you have no excuse not to do it. Step number 4, only worry about the present moment. Don't let yourself get caught up thinking about the future. It may make things seem overwhelming, and then you're more likely to just quit. So the only moment that matters is right now. So what are you going to do with it, and how are you going to show up? Step number 5, stop negotiating with yourself. Remember student number 3? Homework was not an option. Stop trying to avoid the work that you need to do. Instinctively, we try to avoid things that we just don't want to do, and this leads to procrastination. You made the commitment, and now you have to see it through. Step number 6, visit with your goals. Write them down. Set an alarm on your phone that says, work on goal. Put notes on your bathroom mirror. Start to dig into the why. Why do you want to accomplish that goal? That will help you stay motivated. And number 7, forgive your failures. You're gonna mess up. You're gonna make mistakes along the way. So if you had a day of unhealthy eating, or you turned your alarm off and missed your workout, give yourself some grace. Definitely don't beat yourself up, but ask yourself, what happened on that particular day that made me break my consistency? And then keep going. It's better to mess up 1,000 times and keep going than to mess up once and quit. So the takeaway here is that consistency is the key to unlocking your goals. So basically, if you want to achieve your goals, you have to master consistency. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. My name's Regan. This is Boom 50 Fitness, your new BFF. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you would add to this list.